This custom cut-to-length system was designed and manufactured by AZCO Corp. A dancer helps control the material from wandering and keeps the material true. Cantilever design brake unwinds feed out release liner material from a roll. The release liners are affixed to the top and bottom of an extruded material. The material travels through a set of nip rollers, which compress and adhere the two release liners to the extrusion. An internal guide directs the material into the knife assembly, where it is cut to length. The cut samples drop into a conveyor, which indexes forward, shingling the material. Please give us a call to discuss your application.